If you're looking for an all-rounder massage cream, then take a look at our Essential Massage Cream. This is a medium resistance cream for treatment of larger body areas like a back or a full leg. And this is the middle ground between slip and grip. We like to call it the all-rounder. There's a number of hero ingredients in this product. The first is that we use a little bit more sweet almond oil than castor oil in this product compared to our original cream. Our original cream's got the more grip to it, so this has got slightly more kind of medium density oil in there for more slide and a little less grip. We do include, however, the bentonite clay, beeswax, lanolin wax for a bit of traction, but as I said before, less than the original. We also include some butters in this one, shea butter and cocoa butter. These are creamy and moisturising, and we include these to really improve the skin barrier health as well. And the reason we call this essential is because it's got a blend of essential oils that are citrus in base and really help to provide a nice, fresh, uplifting kind of scent during treatment. So there's sweet orange, tangerine. We also balance that out with patchouli and lang lang. And all these citrus oils are there as powerful antioxidants, and as I mentioned before, to help provide a fresh and uplifting aroma as well. The cream also includes aloe vera to soothe skin, so there's a lot of wonderful ingredients in this product. Applying this cream, just use 2 or 3 fingertips worth. You don't need too much. If you're worried about cross-contamination, you can use a spatula or decant into smaller jars or tubs and just use that for that patient for that application. When you apply the cream to the skin, allow the cream to spread out, and it should go clear before you really want to kind of start doing your technique of choice. Reapply a little bit if you need to, and at the end of it, you should wipe down with a towel, but if you're using the cream in the correct amount, you shouldn't be wiping off really any cream at all. And it should be nice and clear, and the skin should feel smooth and moisturised. A couple of questions that we get with this product is, first of all, why does the colour change between the batches? And the reason is because we do use sweet orange and tangerine. The colour of these fruits can change at times, going from light to dark. So you will see that between batches that the colour may change a little bit. That's perfectly normal and okay. And then how's the Essential relate to the other creams in your range? Well, the original cream has got a bit more grip, the classic lotion in a pump has got less grip, and the arnica is used for a little bit more treatment of sensitive and injured areas.